Welcome back to our channel where, in this series, we explore the wisdom of the ages to help you navigate life's challenges. Find greater peace and fulfillment. In today's video, we'll delve into some of the best Stoic advice principles that have stood the test of time and can guide us in building inner resilience and a strong, balanced mindset. If you're ready to embrace the wisdom of the Stoics, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Before we dive into the advice, let's quickly recap what Stoicism is. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us how to focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot. It emphasizes living in accordance with nature, cultivating virtue, and developing an unshakable sense of tranquility. The first piece of Stoic advice we'll explore is the dichotomy of control. This concept encourages us to distinguish between things we have control over and those we don't. Stoics advise us to focus our energy on our thoughts, actions, and attitudes, things within our control, while letting go of external events and outcomes beyond our control. If we focus on ourselves and learn to embrace the things we can change, like our own work ethic, discipline, and positivity, we will see far better results in our own life. Stoics emphasize the importance of recognizing that external events are not within our control. However, our reactions and interpretations of these events are. By choosing to respond to events with calmness, reason, and virtue, we can maintain a sense of inner peace. Start practicing this daily. Start with the small things. When there is no bread left to make your morning toast, don't head into the day feeling angry. Use it as an opportunity to try something new. Try to approach all issues as opportunities and watch as your life begins to feel better from within. This leads on to amor fati, or love of fate, is another profound Stoic concept. It encourages us to embrace every aspect of our lives, both the good and the bad, and view them as opportunities for growth. By fully accepting our circumstances, we transform hardships into opportunities to practice virtue and build resilience. Next up is the practice of negative visualization. This might sound counterintuitive and goes against popular law of attraction teachings, but Stoics believed that regularly imagining the worst-case scenarios helps us appreciate and make the most of our current circumstances. By acknowledging that things could be worse, we cultivate gratitude and prepare ourselves mentally for challenges that may arise. We believe this practice should be used with caution. If you find yourself dwelling too much on the negative, then consider this a piece of advice that is maybe not for you. Absolutely, embracing advice from the past is a powerful tool for personal growth, but it's important to remember that not all advice is a one-size-fits-all solution. Just like a wardrobe, you pick and choose what fits you best. Take the wisdom from the past, apply it to your unique circumstances, and don't hesitate to discard what doesn't resonate. Your journey is your own, and you have the freedom to curate the advice that shapes your path to success and fulfillment. Virtue. Central to Stoic philosophy is the idea of practicing virtue. The Stoics defined virtues as qualities like wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. By striving to embody these virtues in our thoughts and actions, we align ourselves with nature and lead a life of purpose and integrity. Living in alignment with our virtues helps foster a sense of inner tranquility. When your actions are guided by these principles, you can face challenges with a clear conscience and a sense of purpose. Memento mori, which translates to remember your mortality, is a powerful Stoic practice. Reflecting on the impermanence of life and reminds us to live fully in the present moment, make meaningful choices, and appreciate the time we have. Reflecting on the fact that life is finite helps shift your perspective from the trivial and mundane to the meaningful and essential. It encourages you to focus on what truly matters and avoid getting caught up in trivial concerns or material pursuits. It's a humbling reminder that time is our most precious resource. Lastly, let's talk about cultivating inner tranquility. Stoics believed that true happiness is found within, not through external possessions or circumstances. By detaching our well-being from external events, we can achieve a lasting sense of inner peace, even in the face of adversity. Some ways to promote inner tranquility are: gratitude. Cultivating gratitude is a practice that helps shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. This practice encourages you to appreciate the present moment and recognize the positive aspects of your life. Gratitude can lead to a sense of contentment and tranquility by directing your attention away from material desires. Mindfulness and awareness. Mindfulness, as practiced in Stoicism, involves being fully present in each moment and consciously engaging with your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. By cultivating mindfulness, you can prevent your mind from dwelling on past regrets or anxieties about the future, which can lead to greater inner calm. Inner dialogue and self-reflection. Engaging in regular self-reflection and inner dialogue allows you to examine your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This practice enables you to identify patterns of thinking that might lead to inner turmoil or negative emotions, and then work on adjusting those patterns. Journal writing is a great way to get started with this practice. And there you have it, some of the best Stoic advice to help you lead a more resilient and fulfilling life. Remember, Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or avoiding challenges. It's about developing a mindset that empowers you to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and wisdom. Which Stoic principle resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with those seeking timeless wisdom. And don't forget, your journey is your own, and you can choose the practices that fit you best and help you to become your best self. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights to elevate your life journey.